Welcome students, this is third part of important MCQs of PIC. This is for second semester of computer group, computer engineering, computer technology and information technology diploma. First question is, what is the number of dimensions an array in C may have? And the answer is D, that is theoretically there is no limit for dimension. The only practical limit are memory size and compilers. Second question is, a one-dimensional array A has indices 1 to 75. Each element is a string and takes up 3 memory words. The array is stored at location 1120 decimal. The starting address of A49 is what? It is 1264. Then question number 3 is, what will be the address of ARR 23 if ARR is 2D long array of 4 rows and 5 columns? Starting address of array is 2000 and the answer is C, that is 2052. Array can be considered as a set of elements stored in consecutive memory locations but having what? The same data type, that is answer is A. Array, it is example of dash type of memory allocation. It is example of compiled type of memory allocation. Then question number 6 is, size of array need not be specified when initialization is a part of definition. That is A is the answer. The information about an array use in program will be stored in dope vectors, that is C. Question number 8 is, the parameter passing mechanism for an array is call by reference. Question number 9 is, a string that is a formal parameter can be declared both A and B, that is an array with empty braces, a pointer to character. Then question number 10 is, see question number 10. Which of the following function is more appropriate for reading a multi-word string? C, that is gates, it is the proper function. Length of string, let's find course is what? And the answer is B, that is 14, it is the length of string. How will you print on the screen? Printf, options are given and correct answer is C. See the answer. Then question number 13 is, if the two strings are identical, then strcmp function returns. Answer is C, that is 0. Which of the following statements are correct? 4 statements are given and which are correct? Statement number 1, 2, 3 are correct statement, while statement 4th is wrong statement. Then 15th question is, let X be an array. Which of the following operations is illegal? And the answer is A. See, options are given and the answer is D, that is second and third. Then question number 16 is, strcat function adds null character. Answer is B, that is always. 17th question is, which of the following functions sets first n character of a string to a given character? And the answer is B. Then question number 18 is, the library function used to find the last occurrence of a character in a string is? Answer is C. Question number 19 is, which of the following, question number 19, which of the following gives memory address of the first element in array FOO, an array with 10 elements? And the answer is A. What will happen if in a C program you assign a value to an array element whose subscript exceeds the size of array? Options are given. C option is correct, that is the program may crash. Question number 21 is, an array elements are always stored in dash memory location. It is sequential memory location. Question number 22 is, let X be an array. Which of the following operations are illegal? Option D is correct. 1, 3rd and 4th, these are illegal operations. Question number 23 is, what is the output of this program? See the program. and the output is 0 of this program. Then next question 24th is what is the output of this program? See the program, and the output of this program is garbage value, garbage value. Then question number 25 is what is the output of the program if array begins at 1000 and each integer occupies 2 bytes. See the program, and the answer is A, that is 1004 1008. Then what is the output of this program? Program is given, see the program carefully, and the output is C, that is 434. Question number 27 is what is the output of this program? Program is given and output is 100. Then what is the output of this program? Assume that base address of A is 1000 and size of integer is 32 bit. And the answer is D, L value required. Question number 29 is which of the following will print the value 2 for the above code? The answer is C. Then which is true about the given statement? This is allowed in C. This is the correct statement or true statement. Which is the output of this program? See the program. Output is 2011. It is the output of this program. Then which is the output of this program? A, it is hello world. It is the output of this program. Then question number 33 is how many times the loop will execute? And the answer is D, that is 90765. The loop will be executed. Then what is the output of this program? Question number 34 is, the answer is B, that is let's find. It is the output of this program. And question number 35 is what is the output of this program? See the program, and the output is A. Let us find course. Then question number 36 is what is the output of the given code? Code is given and the output is B, that is string is not empty. Question number 37 is what is the output of this program? See the program, and the output is C, that is segmentation fault. Question number 38, what is the output of this program? Answer is A, not same. It is the output of this program. Question number 39 is what will be the output of the program? C, that is 9. It is the output of this program. Then question number 40 is what will be the output of this program? A, that is 3 to 15. It is the output of this program. These are the questions related to chapter 3. Now we will see chapter 4. Now we are going to see some important MCQs on control structure. What is the output of given program if user enter value is 99? Options are given A, B, C, D. Option A is the answer. See the answer and solution is also given here. A, it is the answer and the solution is given. Since this program isn't having any syntax error, so program is executed. What is the output of given program if user enter XYZ? 4 options are given. Enter your age XYZ, you have lived for 0 seconds. Enter your age XYZ, you have lived live for 0.000 seconds. Then enter your age XYZ if that program will stop and runtime error. And the answer is B. Explanation is also given. When we give scanf at %f format string, that means we want you to try and get us a floating point number. Then question number 3 is what is the output of given program if user enter XYZ? See the program. Options are given and the answer is C. Enter your age XYZ. Your age is not valid. Explanation for answer is also given. Then question number 4 is what will be the output of this program? Four options are given for the output and the answer is C, that is 10 20 21 10, and the explanation is also given. The scope of second declaration of I is limited to the block in which it is defined. Then what will be the value of I and J after execution of the following program? The value of I and J is C, that is 2020. It is the value of I and J. Comma operator is executed from left to right. Then question number 6 is what will be the output of this program? Program is given. Then options are, four options are given and the answer is A, that is minus 10 to minus 1. It is the output. A solution is also given. What will be the output of this program? Five options are given and the correct answer is C, that is 6. It is the output of this program. Then what will be the output of this program? Four options are given and the option is Exam Veda. It is the correct answer, that is B. What will be the output of given program? Five options are given and the answer is D, that is 100 or 100. Explanation is also given. What will be the output of given program? Four options are given and option D, it is the answer, that is compiler error. Compiler error, switch expression is not integral. Switch statement cannot work on float value. Then next question for this control structure is what will be the output of given program? Program is given and the four options are given and the answer is B, that is no error, no output. Explanation for the answer is also given. Then question number 12 is what will be the output of this program? Four options are given and the answer is C, that is 3 2 1. It is the output of this program. Then question number 13 is what will be the output of given program? Five options are given here and the answer is A, that is 1 minus 1 1. Here if statement is executed, since we know that printf function return the number of character print. Then what will be the output of the following piece of code? Five options are given for the piece of code and first A, that is 10, it is the answer. Then what will be the output of the following code? Five options are given here and the answer is C, that is 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0. And their explanation is also given. See the explanation carefully. The next question for control structure is which command is used to skip the rest of loop and carry on from the top of loop again? Five options are given: break, resume, continue, skip and none. And the answer is C, that is continue. What is the output of this program? Five options are given. Answer is C, that is 25. What is the output of the following statement? Output is D, that is infinite loop. The next question is question number 19. The type of controlling expressions of a switch statement cannot be type of type. Answer is D, that is float type. No explanation is given for this question. Then what's wrong in the following statement? Provided k is a variable of type int, and the 5 options are given, and the answer is E, that is the commas should be semicolons. These are the 20 questions for second chapter, that is control structure. In next video we will see last chapter, that is pointer.